Shenzhen Tenet Silicon is a national high-tech enterprise specializing in satellite navigation, anti-jamming technology. Our core team has over 20 years of experience in Beidou system R&D, and all our technologies and products are independently developed to solve one of the major problems in the industry: satellite signal security. Simply put, we act as navigation escorts for our clients. With the increasing prevalence of drones and air taxis, they heavily rely on satellite navigation signals. These signals are easily blocked by buildings and subject to unintentional or even malicious interference. If the signal is compromised, the drone may lose control or crash. We offer a variety of anti-interference terminals to provide customers with suitable options for different needs.
The one I have here has 7 antennas and can resist interference from 6 directions simultaneously. This type of application is suitable for things like eVTOL or larger aircraft with greater payload capacity. This product has even more antennas. It has 16 antennas and can resist interference from 15 directions. Our product is compatible with virtually all aircraft on the market. This smaller one has a 4-array design, and it can be used on cargo drones. The one I have here is not only resistant to suppression and interference, but also to spoofing. It integrates an antenna array, anti-interference components, and a satellite navigation receiver. It features miniaturization, lightweight design, and low cost.
Whether for large industrial drones or small consumer drones, whether for interference resistance or deception prevention, we offer a complete navigation safety solution. Our goal is to ensure that drones obtain continuous, reliable positioning signals even in complex and interference-prone environments, enabling them to take off safely and arrive accurately on every flight.